Let's get ready from my capsule wardrobe, build an outfit from there, and let's go shopping. I'm wearing a black plain trouser and black top, steel grey cardigan to go with it. But because it's very cold in my city, it's been snowing, so I'm gonna change the cardigan with the jacket. And then I'm gonna wear a hijab which catches all the greys and blacks and little pink in it, so it's not too boring, it's not too plain. That's me ready. I have no makeup on because we are going shopping for makeup things, so I want to keep my face plain. First stop, MAC. I've heard they've changed the formula for these foundations. I need them for my clients. I've checked it, it's beautiful on. I would buy them, but I will buy them online as I get a discount for being professional. Then the next stop is Huda Beauty. It's Easy Blur Foundation. I've tried it in it's Sephora in Manchester, but I'm trying the real shades now because I want to order it online. So my nearest shade is Amarati and Biscuit or something. All the bakery stuff, and it was looking at the names, it was just making me hungry for no reason. There's a stall for NARS cosmetics, and they are beautiful stuff. You know, the colors are beautiful. The foundations were really good. I tried a couple of them on. I have some of their stuff, and I'm really want to buy more. So here I tried it on. I tried on Amarati. It was too dark on me, and instead of, I said Biscuit, but I think it was cashew nut, and that was quite close to my skin. One side of my face it had an Amarati shade on, and it was just too dark. It was too yellow. But I like the texture. I would definitely order. Here I am in the NEX stall. They have really nice blur foundation. They are quite similar to Huda Beauty texture, and I found one of my matching shade, which was quite close to my skin. It's still different in the shop, so I will take it home, try it on properly, and then give you a feedback if it's really my shade. I think I found a foundation quite close to my skin. Here I'm checking in the mirror, one side with NYX Beauty and one side with Huda Beauty. And I'm just smiling at myself because one under eye is done, another one is not done. But I think it's on a day like that, I can just get away with it. Had another look on NARS makeup. I want to buy a few pieces from there, but I think I will get them online because I get them discounted. I end up buying few things from NEX brand, and I really like that because I heard good things about it. I'm not keen on cheaper makeup or high street makeup, but I definitely want to give it a go because people been putting on really good things about this company.